Hello, foolish mortals. This is Brad and Faith with Team Living Dead duo with Scare Factor. We are here at Maze of Terror in China Grove, North Carolina. They have been in business for 12 years now, and it is a farm that has a haunted trail on it. And we are ready to get some scares. So without further ado, here is Maze of Terror. I know you had to.
You're on your way.
Sweet. Oh, nice.
Help me! Help me! Help me!
Oh, ah, shit.
Nice.
Welcome, my pretties. How are you? Good. How are you? Doing okay.
Yeah.
We may put a spell on you. You never know.
Oh boy.
The nun.
Uh-oh. Looks like we're heading in trouble.
Say what?
Oh.
There you are.
Oh shoot! She's on a zip line.
Zip lining.
That's awesome.
Smooth.
Get off my property! Get off now! I said now!
We better run. It's
I can only move so fast.
Where you go?
we might be in trouble.
Where you go?
We're trying to get through the haunt.
I'm going to tell you something.
Okay.
Do listen.
Yep.
Yes. When you go out at night, the dark is an awful fright. But when you hear me near it, you should run with fear. Hey,
I think she's putting a spell on us.
Uh-oh.
Am I really supposed to take this? I have a chicken foot.
Where are you going?
I still got this chicken. It's a real chicken foot too. You got me, Leatherface.
Hey, he made his way out, huh? The fun house.
Your host is not here.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Come on in the house.
Oh goodness.
And they trying to make me bend down this road.
No, this way.
No, we go through
This
here.
way.
The door just opened.
One at a time in here. Come on in.
Get on the table.
Hold it right there.
Y'all keep your head slide back forward just a little bit so we don't cut your leg out.
I have everything he needs.
Whoa!
You can
I'm the reason you have the slides, kids.
Oh boy.
That's wonderful.
You don't like the slide, you're just having fun. I'll see you in your dreams.
Yes.
That's right.
Get me out! Please get me out of here! Get me out, help me! Please help me! Help! Get me out of here! You can't leave me behind! Please, you can't leave me behind! No, they'll have you! They'll keep you! No, they'll keep you!
Hey.
Oh.
I hate this thing.
Hi.
Spiders? That's awesome. Is that your doing? Wolfman.
Here he is again. Yep, he's following us.
Oh, hell no.
There's a lot of different exits. Listen. We already did that one.
Have we done this one?
Oh.
This one.
We did.
We done that one. Yeah, I was good. This is the way to go.
Can you just believe him?
No. This way.
We made it somewhere.
We made it! You made it! We made it! Just a few minutes till the next tractor arrives. If you want to warm up a little bit.